The legal tussle over the true winner of the February 23, 2019 presidential election has been finally laid to rest as the Supreme Court affirmed the election of President Muhammadu Buhari. With the courtroom filled with lawyers and supporters of the two parties in the case, the appellants argue that the lower court erred in law by dismissing their case without critically examining the discrepancies in the name of President Buhari. He insists that there is a difference between Muhammadu and Muhammad. He also points out the issue of President Buhari's inability to provide evidence of his academic qualification. This argument is countered by the lawyers representing the Independent National Electoral Commission, President Buhari, and the All Progressives Congress, as they urge the court to dismiss the appeal with substantial cost. After listening to arguments of the parties to the appeal, the seven-man panel of the Apex Court dismissed the case for lacking in merit. The court announced that reasons for the dismissal will be given at a later date to be communicated to the parties. Lawyers to INEC, President Buhari and the APC applaud the verdict of the court.
This server something that has been laid to rest. The issue is this server. INEC never said there are no server. They said INEC had a particular server, www.factsdon'tlienigeria.com. We say INEC does not have that type of server.
The matter has been finally settled by the Supreme Court. We want to appreciate and commend the Supreme Court for rising up to the occasion. That's the way it should be, and the judiciary has done well.
The chapter, paragraphs and lines having to do with 2019 election, especially the presidential aspect, has been laid to rest until 2023.
The lawyer to Alhaji Atiku Abubakar and the vice presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party expressed their disappointment on the outcome of the case.
I don't want to speculate until they give their reasons. No reason has been given, and we've done our best. Our reason for coming to court is because we believe that the election and the result was not result of lawful vote cast, but the process has come to the end.
The People's Democratic Party and its presidential candidate Alhaji Atiku Abubakar had approached the Apex Court following the dismissal of the appeal by the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal. The party claims that President Buhari did not score the highest number of lawful votes cast. However, the judgment of the Apex Court, which was unanimously consented to by 6 other members of the panel, has finally laid to rest the legal tussle over the outcome of the election.